Alright, welcome back. I want to show you a few things about this drawing. Of course, we have an ellipse, so you see the major axis is 7.5, the minor diameter is 5. So what I do, I like to use just a rectangle. Start at 0, 0, 0, 0, enter, and I'll come over 7.5 in X and 5 in Y, and make sure my midpoint is turned on, which it is, in my snap. And I come up here and I grab 3-point axis end. You catch there, to there, and there. There's that. And I'll just go ahead real quick and put me some center lines in this thing. Just like that. And the rest of it's pretty simple. Let me show you what I would do. Do you see here, if I zoom, it's kind of hard to see that, but anyways, there's an offset from that center line down to here, which is 0.75. So I'll go ahead and do that. 0.75, enter. Offset of 0.75, enter. And I'll do that offset, so that offset there is the center point for this. Now, this line here is offset of 1, so I go down here and I do that, and it gives me a center point for this 0.75 radius, which I'll go ahead and put in, just like that. Now you'll notice this right here is the quadrants, right there and right there. But if you'll notice, it goes a straight line as it gets to the end of that. It goes a straight line up 0.25. So hit your line, and you'll notice from right here, it's going to go up 0.25, enter. And also it's going 0.25 that way from that point. Trim everything out. Just like that. So there is your center. And at the end of that 0.25 on both ends, you've got a 1/4 inch radius. So right there, 0.25, 0.25. And all you have to do is offset this stuff up. 0.25, just do an offset. 0.25. Both sides. And trim it all up, but you don't want. So you got that much of it done. I'd go ahead and just get rid of that center line for the moment. I'm just going to go ahead and just get rid of this right here too for the time being. And all I'll do is just grab all this, and I want to do a mirror. You got a mirror right here. Click it, and that's already chosen. It's asking you now for the mirror point, the mirror line. Is this line right here from that point to that point? Enter. Grab all of them and flop them to the other side. Mirror. This time the line will be from here to here. Enter. And then you just got a couple of circles to put in, and it's 0.75 down and 2.75. So that's offset 2.75 from right here. We'll send it over and straight down. It looks like it's right here, just 1 inch down. And that's the center point for, well, it could be either side. And then those circles are 0.45 diameter. So you got to find your diameter. Boom, 0.45. Space bar, do it again. 0.45. Oh, that didn't give us diameter, give us radius. And you can take those two, mirror it to the other side, just like that. And all's left is right in the center of this thing is a polygon, looks like a hexagon. So come up here and grab your hexagon tool. polygon and tell it you want 6 sides, enter, base point right there, and it's 1.2, so that will be inscribed because it'll be inside of that, inscribed. 1.2, it's asking for the radius, so 1.2 would be 0.6. And just make sure to do a measurement on it. Right there it is. And just get rid of the stuff you don't need. So, and then make sure that you put this onto your layout, onto your paper. But that's just how it basically goes together. If you need help with it more so, just holler at me and let me know.